Hi everyone, Regina here from StarterPPC. Today we're going to be talking about the hook. What is the hook? I'm talking about the first 5 seconds of every single video that you're making that you think you might need to use in a video ad. If you're making a video, you might as well make it ad worthy, right? So the most important thing, I cannot stress this enough, when you're making a video is to think about those first 5 seconds, because at the end of 5 seconds, people are going to skip that ad, right? That little skip ad button shows up in the bottom right corner. If people are being forced to watch that video, right? Sometimes it just shows up on the side of a website as a remarketing video, but other times there's being forced to sit there and watch it like a commercial, and that little skip ad button shows up at the end of the 5-second mark. So you basically have just 5 seconds to get people to think, I want to keep watching this video, right? So that's your goal for the first 5 seconds, is to get them to keep watching the video. And it's make or break it, guys. If you don't achieve that in 5 seconds, they're going to skip it, okay? So this is called the hook. So in this video, I'm going to run through first an example of a hook that my team and I made recently on the YouTube channel for StarterPPC. And I'm going to show you some statistics that I found so that we can see an example of a good hook and why it works. And then I'm going to run through a really cool free resource that I found through another company. They don't even know that I'm making this video, called Social Trends. They are giving out like 400 examples of really good hooks that I think that you guys can pull from if you go and opt in. Again, they don't even know that I'm talking about it, but I downloaded it recently and I'm just so excited about it. I had to share it with you guys. All right, so first, let me actually just make my video a little bit smaller over here. Okay. The first thing I have pulled up is this article, which is on the Solutions 8 website. It's an article that I wrote a million years ago, but it's still relevant today. I've actually updated it once or twice, but the classics don't really change, right? This is, should I be running video ads and what can I expect? It's on the Solutions 8 Help Center. It's a really good summary of, if you guys are making videos for video ads, what to think about before you hit record. There's 5 video sequence ideas that you can run through just to kind of get the juices flowing. And down here, pro tips, right? Just a summary of what to think about. And you can see right here at the top, since videos are often skippable, it is critical that you mention your brand or company name and your offer within the first 6 seconds, right? So you guys want them to know, what are you doing there? What is going on? What are you selling? And not just that, but you want to do it in a way that hints that there will be more value in the video if they keep watching. All right, so I'm going to link you to this help article in the description so that you can save it in your back pocket for the next time you're hitting record. Okay, and then let's move on to the example. So last week, the video that we produced on the StarterPPC YouTube channel is called Why Conversions Drop with T-ROAS or TCPA is Applied. Now, all of our videos, they start with this coming up soon section. And we use this because we want to create a hook. Okay, I'm going to show it to you and talk about it here. You notice that your impressions and your clicks plummet along with your budget, right? Your daily spend isn't being spent 100% when the T-ROAS or TCPA is applied. I'm going to explain why that happens. Today we're talking about the bid settings called, okay guys, so in 5 seconds you'll see, ready? We're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I say in those first 5 seconds? This is the hook. You notice that your impressions and your clicks plummet along with your, boom, that's 5 seconds. That's how much time you get. So choose those first few words, that 3/4 of a sentence, very, very carefully. In this case, we're starting the hook halfway through a sentence, right? It's not even a complete sentence. I literally start by saying, you notice that you're, like, it's halfway through the sentence, and yet we set this video up as a video ad, which I've been doing with all of the videos on the StarterPPC channel. And I'm going to toggle over and show you guys the stats. So no matter which way you look at it, average watch time, you sort by average watch time, this video is at the top.
Hi there, quick interruption. Do you know the main thing that prevents small business owners from getting their Google Ads account into a position to grow and scale? Budget. A lot of businesses, especially those that are just starting out, have limited budgets. And so because of this, they're turned away by most ad agencies because most ad agencies have minimum budget thresholds that they're willing to work with. So what happens is the business owners end up learning Google Ads themselves. And the problem with that is that most of the advice online is geared towards larger accounts. And the advice doesn't have any of those strategies or tricks that can kickstart the algorithm into giving a small account a leg up over larger competitors. So it often just doesn't work, and the business just ends up losing money month over month. If this sounds familiar, StarterPPC can help. We offer Google Ads management services that are designed for accounts that have between $1,000 and $5,000 budgets. And because all of our clients are just starting out, we've come up with ways to keep our management fees significantly lower than most agencies. Because we know that every dollar saved on management fees just goes towards the ad budget, which is going to help the algorithm gather speed and power. So if you're serious about growing your business and you'd like a team of Google Ads experts to help you without breaking the bank, check us out at starterppc.com. Okay, back to the video.
Video played to 25%. This one's at the top. Video played to 50%. Video played to 75%. Video played to 100%. No matter which column I'm sorting by, that's the video that gets people hooked. And this is actually one of our newest videos, right? You saw all of these are older videos, so it hasn't even spent a lot yet. The cost is still less than the rest, but it's blowing the rest out of the water. I mean, average watch time here is 208 seconds, I guess, whereas the next closest runner up is called Unlock Your Business's Full Potential, Increase Your Average Order Value. Probably even a better topic, honestly, if you want to make money than this one. But because the hook wasn't as good, it's only getting half of that, a little more than half of that. So as far as average watch time, you want people to watch your videos because you have more to say to them, right? You have an entire sales pitch, whether you're selling a product or a service, you want them to view it, hear about it. You need to talk through the value. And so you need to get their buy-in right away to keep them watching. Okay, so this is just some examples how to get the juices flowing. Now, Instagram gave me an ad for these guys, Social Trends. I don't know them. I'm not affiliated with them. I I don't even remember what the video ad said, but I ended up clicking on it and I noticed that they were giving away for free 1,350 opening hook ideas, right? Video hooks. And I just thought this is so worth opting in. I do think that it's a 7-day free trial and then they charge you $50. But in those 7 days, you can get all of the hooks. You can make copies of all of the documents. I'm going to give you a sneak peek because I did sign up and this is what I got. It comes with a couple things other than the viral hooks. But since we're on the subject of viral hooks, these are them here. You can see they've got a bunch of them, you guys. Each of these is a huge spreadsheet with multiple tabs, 50 hooks here, 50 hooks here, 50 hooks here. And you can kind of just go down the list and see, okay, does this hook apply to us? Could we possibly spin this hook to work with our video that we want to make? They're really good. They're really good hooks. These are things that I think Social Trends has tried with their clients and has found success, and they're just bottling it up and giving it away for free. So I'm going to link you to this landing page. Again, I get nothing when you guys opt in for Social Trends. I just want to make sure that the small businesses that we work with at StarterPPC, anyone who needs Google Ads, who has a budget of $5,000 or less, has good video, because we cannot win on Google Ads anymore nowadays without good video, you guys. And every single day we get new clients who come in and sure enough, they don't have good videos. So please, please, please get started on video. You should have at least 5 to 10 videos with high quality hooks. And don't forget to tell them your brand name in the first 5 seconds. You can, if you don't have time to spit it out in those first 5 seconds, you can just put it on the screen like this, like you can see our logo here. I guess it doesn't really say what we do, but Starter PPC, it's kind of in the title of the business, so we don't really have to, but you might want to say, the name of your brand here. All right, that's that. Thank you for watching. Go out there, hit record on your camera, upload those videos to YouTube, send them to your Google Ads manager so that they can get a video ad started for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Hi everyone, it's Regina from Starter PPC. Today I want to talk to you about videos, okay? Videos are gold, and when you are a small business, you're just starting out, unfortunately, the amount of videos that most small businesses have is 0, and oftentimes when